Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 23, 2024, featuring Mars nearing the Bull's Horns. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Sky events are described at time intervals relative to sunrise or sunset. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. This morning Mars is nearly between the Bull's Horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri. The red planet is marching eastward, opening a gap with bright Jupiter. At 1 hour before sunrise, here's what to look for. Bright Jupiter is over halfway up in the east-southeast. It is the brightest star in the sky this morning. The Jovian giant is 9.1 degrees to Aldebaran's lower left, Taurus' brightest star. Mars, about the same brightness and color as Aldebaran, is 4.4 degrees to Jupiter's lower left. After their conjunction on the 14th, Mars continues to open a gap to the solar system's largest planet. Mars is 5.7 degrees to the lower right of Elnath, the Bull's second brightest star, and 3.4 degrees to Zeta Tauri's upper right. Tomorrow morning, Mars passes 5.6 degrees from Elnath and Zeta Tauri on the 27th. The gap to the southern horn is 2.6 degrees. From the Americas, Mars does not appear precisely between the horns. On the 26th, it is west of an imaginary line between them, and the next morning, it is to the east. At this hour, the moon, 82% illuminated, is over halfway up in the south-southwest, nearly 35 degrees to Saturn's upper left and less than 60 degrees to the right or west of Jupiter. Saturn is slowly retrograding in front of Aquarius dim stars. Saturn is at opposition on September 7th, when Earth passes between the planet and the Sun on Mercury speeds into the morning sky after its inferior conjunction, although it is veiled in bright twilight this morning. The innermost planet rises 21 minutes before the Sun, gaining about 8 minutes of rising time each morning. In the evening sky, Venus slowly climbs into the evening sky. The planet's visibility suffers from a poorly inclined ecliptic, another name for the solar system's plane, with the western horizon. The evening star is 22 degrees east of the Sun, but only about 5 degrees above the western horizon at 30 minutes after sundown. Venus shines through bright evening twilight. Use a binocular to initially locate it. Saturn rises only 40 minutes after sundown. About an hour later, it is over 10 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Moonrise occurs over 2 hours after nightfall. This evening the lunar orb is 45 degrees from Saturn. Tomorrow morning, they are in the southern sky before sunrise. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.